Dave from Rolasolar, the 200 watt Rolasolar kit. We've got a bit of drizzle here, so the weather's not that favourable to charging, but we'll show you what we've got anyway. So the battery's at about 66% charge. I'm just going to go into my little bin here. So that's battery voltage. So let's go through. 1 minute. Right, so it's saying 30 volts from the solar panel, 29. 1.6 amps, 1.7, variable. 12.9 volts into the battery. And 1.3 amps, still charging in this condition. Yep, a little bit of a yucky day, but yeah, that's good anyway. Still getting some power into the battery, and being a cooler day, the fridge isn't cycling as much, so we will increase in charge if this day continues like this.